Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira and today is February 27. It's a Saturday. Yay! Walang pasok. So today, since wala naman ako masyadong gagawin, I decided that I'm gonna film some content for my other social media like TikTok and Instagram, ganon. I have really been into TikTok lately and actually gumawa ako ng listahan ng mga TikTok na gusto kong gawin. The only downside to it is kailangan mo mag-ayos every time you're gonna make a TikTok. Well, I mean, depende naman siya sa'yo. You could follow me on TikTok. That's Moira if you want to. It's a bit kalat, ganon. Pero it's so fun. Pasensya na kung naririnig nyo yung nagkakaraoke sa labas. Lagi na lang may nagkakaraoke kapag hapon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But anyways, we're moving on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I am going to be using products from Kate Tokyo. Thank you so much, Kate Tokyo, for sending over these products. They sent over 2 kits which are specially curated for the working woman. Get it? Working woman na ako. Oh my gosh. First off, we're gonna try the mask off kit. Kasi ayan, perfect siya kapag nandito lang kayo sa bahay. It includes this super sharp liner in the color brown, this eyebrow mascara in the color brown as well, and this lipstick which is in the shade smooth color robe. I don't know. I want to try the eyebrow mascara by itself. I kind of like how thick my eyebrows are. So minsan I just really resort to mascara if I want to go for like a more natural look. And yung feeling niya, yung talagang hindi gagalaw yung eyebrow hairs mo. Because the eyebrow mascara I've been using before, parang girl, hindi talaga nagsistay kahit ilang beses ko ilagay. Pero ito, nagstay talaga siya. Next up, we have the brown eyeliner. I love the packaging. May pagka-geometric siya, guys. It's so cool. Just gonna do a little winged liner. Smooth naman yung dating niya. Sharp din siya. And also, pro tip, if you want to wear eyeliner pero ayaw mo naman yung sobrang dark na eyeliner, use a brown one. I love using brown liners. Perfect for like a daytime look. Other side. Yeah. Okay, now this mascara naman is part of the other kit, but I think I still want to use it today. So it's the Lash Former. One of my favorite makeup steps is mascara kasi it really opens up your eyes, makes them more doll-like, ganun. Wow! Especially if you do it with your lower lashes. So yeah, it comes with this curled wand for easy application. Fair sa mascara na to. Hindi ko alam kung sa brush siya. Hindi nagka-clump yung eyelashes mo together. Kasi yung ibang mascara ganun. Pero ito, talagang nasa-separate niya each one. So, it helps to open up the eyes more. Yan. Just one coat for today. That's fine. Now, for the rest of my face. Last step, we have lipstick. We are using this. Again, I think it's in the color Rouge. Since it's a brighter color, try ko muna siyang ipat-pat lang just to see. Then from there, tsaka ko siya i-build up just to the pigment that I want. I put more pigment on the inside of my lips para yung uso na Korean makeup look ma-achieve ko. Wow! Okay, so now let's choose the outfits. Yes, I am gonna do a fashion TikTok. Hulaan nyo from the clothes that I'll pick kung anong gagawin ko. Lika. I prepared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outfits, which means nahulaan nyo na ba kung ano yung fashion TikTok ko? Yes, you're right. It is Friends. Actually, ito yung sinuot ko for my previous video, but ito yung susuotin ko for the introduction part of the TikTok. So, tara, let's get TikToking. Okay, hope I'm doing this right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, tignan natin kung masasakto ko tong talon. I know! Wala ba yung tap? I'm not saying to buy me a hat, I'm saying I am the hat, daddy! My eyes! Finally done with that TikTok. 6 p.m. na. Well, actually, nag-break kasi ako in between. Pero I think I'm gonna eat first, take a break, and then we'll film the rest after that. Okay, natapos na ako kumain. 9 o'clock na. And now, I am going to be filming for my Instagram because if you don't follow me on Instagram, what you doing? Follow me, girl. I am going to be starting this series called Mondays with Moira, where every Monday you can hang out with me on my Instagram. Every week, may iba siyang theme. There's like about Arki, there's about musicals, and then there's about art, Q&As, and then bonus kung may 5th Monday. If you have any suggestions on what I could talk about during those Instagram stories, you can comment them down below. But anyways, first I am going to film the first ever episode. Episode talaga. Well, I'm gonna be pre-recording them para maayos pa din mukha ko. So the first episode is Arkified, which is about architecture, which I know a lot of you are interested in. I'm actually filming then right now on my Instagram. I guess you can watch along since mauna naman tong IG story kesa tong video. Okay, so tara, let's try this. Hello and welcome to Mondays with Moira. So for the first ever Monday, I am going to be talking about 3 international architects who were most discussed during my time in college. Maybe next time I can do local. But anyways, are you ready to get archified? First up, we have Frank Lloyd Wright. His design style is what's called as organic architecture because he believes that human habitation should be one with the natural environment. One of his most notable works is Falling Water. Sobrang daming beses namin itong diniscuss nung college. And yeah, it really is such a beautiful structure. It blends well with its natural surroundings. And fun fact about him is that he is very particular with designs to the point that he also custom designed all the furnishings that's inside this house. So yeah, that's what you call dedication. Next, we have Frank Gehry. His design style naman is very out of the norm, very outlandish. But I guess that's also what makes his buildings unique. Some of his works include the Guggenheim Museum in Spain and the Walt Disney Concert Hall. And alam ko na feature siya dati sa Simpsons. Joke sa kanya is nagcrumple lang siya ng piece of paper. He threw it on the ground and whatever shape that ends up in, that's the design of his next building. And di ako magtataka kung true story man yun. Last but not the least, we have Zaha Hadid. Some say she's like the queen of the curve because she uses a lot of curvilinear forms in her designs and it makes them look very futuristic and has that very utopian feel. And fun fact, she was the first woman to win the Pritzker Prize in Architecture back in 2004. So yeah, go girl. Okay, so nagpalit ulit ako ng damit because I'm also gonna be pre-recording for the next Monday, which is gonna be a musical Monday! So yeah, it's where I'm gonna talk about my favorite musicals. So I dressed up for the occasion and kaya nyo bang hulaan kung ano yung musical na yun? Di rin halata, susuot ko lang. Hi everyone, we are back again. It's the next day, Sunday ngayon, and my family and I decided that we would go out for the first time in forever because we're gonna be test riding our new car. So yay, after 10 years, may bago na kaming kotse. So yeah, we just wanted to drive around and get the feel of it. Kaya nag-aayos ako ngayon, and since I'm going out, I'm gonna be using the other kit that Kate Tokyo sent me. This one naman is gonna be the working woman mask on kit kasi nga lalabas. So this kit consists of the Super Sharp Liner 2.0 in black, the Lash Former Mascara which I used yesterday, and this is an eyebrow pencil in the shade brown. I'm gonna use the eyebrow pencil first. Pag bago yung eyebrow pencil, sometimes I like to just put it here first on my hand para lang mas magkaroon siya ng pigment. I don't know if that's real, if that's a trick, but that's what I like to do and it works for me. I just like filling in the sparse areas ganon and mimicking the eyebrow hairs. Next, I'm gonna be using the Super Sharp Liner in black. Ayan, maganda din yung tip nito. Since we're gonna be wearing our mask, I decided I'm gonna do more of more dramatic eye look, ganon. Kasi diba, yung eyes mo lang talaga yung makikita pag nakamask eh. First, I'll do a wing liner. And then, what I like to do is i-extend ko siya dito sa inner corner. It's something I learned from the Dean Lustre. Ayan, I literally just extended it and I like it. Other side. And fair, dali niyang gamitin. Usually kapag liquid liner, nahihirapan ako. Tapos parang nagsasmudge. Pero ito, one try lang. And okay na. Lastly, we're gonna use the mascara again. Yesterday, I only did 1 coat. Ngayon, I'm gonna try 2 coats and see kung may mag-iba. And if pansin nyo guys, yung mga products dito sa working woman kits nila is more focused on the eyes. During this time, we're all required to wear masks. So yung mga products sa kits na to, they're really curated to make the working woman stand out during these times. Oh, diba? You know what? I think this mascara is my favorite product kasi talagang pinaghihiwa-hiwalay niya yung lashes ko, which I really love kasi sa ibang mascaras talaga nagka-clump siya together. Nakaka-asar kapag ganun. This one, chef's kiss. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, I will leave the links down below. They're available on Lazada. So yeah, you can go ahead and check them out. Now I'll just finish off the rest of my face and I'll see you later for the OOTD. Okay, tapos na ako mag-ayos. Ayan ang aking look, and then let me show you my outfit. This is what I'm wearing today. Ayan, it's medyo out of my comfort zone, pero I kinda like it. I like trying something new, especially na ngayon lang ulit ako makakapag-dress up as in, guys. So talagang tinodo ko na. So tara na, let's go. We're in the car now. Hindi ko pala nasabi, napapunta kami ngayon sa BGC. Hindi kami madalas pumunta doon kasi malayo siya sa amin, pero yun kasi yung mas open space, ganon. So mas better siya for these times, ganun. And it's gonna be a long car ride, so chill lang ako dito. Malapit na ako makatulog. We're here. Testing yung parking. Lalakad lang kami. Walang sasabihin ko. Okay, nagawin namin puntahan yung Oregon, pero para lang tingnan. Yun lang. Ang sarap kasi maglakad dito sa BGC, mahangin. And pwede rin pala mga bata. 2, 3! Hey guys, naglipat lang kami ng parking para mas malapit na kami sa kakainan namin. Gonna go to Shake Shack. Last time ko dun is before lockdown. So yeah, tingnan namin kung may pwede ding shops na puntahan dito. So many bags here, pero medyo madaming tao. May pila, but what's new? Yay! After 1 hour, my order is here. So, normal cheeseburger lang, cheese fries, and then may bago silang chicken bites. So, yeah, late lunch na to, guys. Kasi. Okay, did a little damage. I'm so tired. Gabi na. Joke lang, one last stop, Santis, para bumili ng steak. Hi guys, ito na talaga, pauwi na talaga kami. So I guess I'm gonna end the video here. That was another weekend in my life. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. Comment down below what video you want to see next, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!